Okay, let me get into this. So tonight I'm hosting my first cooking class in Bukit Vista history, and hopefully it's going to be awesome, right? So, anyway, the theme of tonight is to talk about Thai cuisine, how to make delicious Thai food, and it's cheap and easy to make. Okay, once again, we'll start with the OKRs. So the objective is to demonstrate how to make a delicious Thai meal. The key result will be cooking two very delicious and very popular Thai dishes, and we'll examine and learn about the ingredients found in Thai cuisine. Okay, so the format is, let's go over a little bit of Thai culture, Thai cuisine, then we'll talk about the ingredients, then we're going to go to the kitchen to make some stuff, then we'll eat, yeah, and that will be always the best part. Okay, so let's talk about Thai cuisine. So, Thai cuisine places emphasis on lightly prepared dishes with strong aromatic components and a spicy edge. That was the best way that I saw anybody actually describe Thai cuisine. When I cook Thai cuisine, I often feel like I'm cheating because the results are actually pretty incredible and the effort is very minimal. Normally, if you make other cuisines, you have to layer flavors, you have to do a lot of prep work. But because I think Thai cuisine uses a lot of very powerful ingredients, these produce incredible results without having too much complications. Happily, most of the ingredients are available for pretty cheap, and they're readily available in Indonesia too as well. So if you do get bored of eating like Indonesian food, Thai cuisine could be a good alternative for impressing that special somebody or even just yourself. All right, fun facts about Thailand. So Thailand was the only Southeast Asian country not colonized by a European nation. That is a fun fact. They are a Theravada Buddhist nation. Denny, what do you got?
What?
You smiled. I thought you had.
I think you ever told the story about Thailand that not colonized by the European nation because they play safe.
Yeah.
For there.
They didn't just play safe. Thailand was actually more clever than playing safe. They played their enemies against each other. So whenever the British wanted to invade the French, because the British were on one side and the French were on the other, so they would ally with both sides whenever the other side was weaker, right? So if the French were weak, they would ally with the British, or they would always balance the European powers. So if the British wanted to go and invade Indochina, China's were like, yeah, go ahead. Yeah. And if the French wanted to go and invade the other side, they're like, yeah, go ahead. So that actually that sort of has modern day implications too, because there's been a lot of militaries that have been visiting Thailand for a very long time now. So that without invading. All right, they're predominantly Theravada Buddhist, which is one of the two major forms of Buddhism. They are a monarchy, a constitutional monarchy. So they have a king. The king is so respected in Thailand. You do not talk shit about the king. You talk shit about the king, that's treason. You go to jail for that. And it's not even a joke. It's like really real. A lot of people are in jail because they have mentioned the king in a bad way. So the king and his family are protected from slander. This is pretty interesting. So on a tourism point of view, Thailand receives about 32.5 million visitors. In 2016, it's probably higher now. So if you give you a comparison, Bali gets 6. So the inbound tourism market in Thailand is currently 5 times, perhaps even 6 times bigger. Oh, does anyone know where this is, by the way?
Phnom Penh?
Nope, not in Phnom Penh. Phnom Penh is in Cambodia.
Cambodia.
All right. But does anybody else want to guess where that is? So, Wyatt and I drove 2 hours one day through north of Bangkok to this place called Ayutthaya, right?
Yeah.
Ayutthaya, which is actually Ayodhya, and I think Bahasa, right? It's the place where Rama and Sita escaped, or it was like their paradise. It comes from the Ramayana. So it's a site. It used to be the old Thai capital, and then they moved it to Bangkok after Ayodhya got sacked. All right, so some Thai cuisine. Let's see what people know. Jenny, what is some Thai food that you're familiar with?
Like some dumplings, but with all vegetables.
Okay.
It's kind of like raw vegetables.
Okay.
We just dip in like hot sauce.
Okay, so
Hot
some
sour
dumpling
sauce.
with hot sour sauce. Is it kind of a clear sauce?
Kind
of watery.
Yeah, kind of watery.
Okay, all right, got it. Good. Spring roll. Okay. All right, Aggie, what about you?
I think definitely Tom Yum.
Tom Yum? Okay, very good.
And Pad Thai.
Pad Thai. Okay,
Yeah.
very good. Risky.
Yeah.
What about you?
Tom Yum, Pad Thai, and sticky rice.
With
and good
Mango.
cucumbers.
Okay, all right. What do you got?
They have excellent
Yeah,
mangoes.
They have very good
Yeah.
mangoes. In fact. Yeah. Okay, Diego, what about you? What do you remember from Thai cuisine? Or what do you?
Don't know what.
Okay. Very good.
It's so.
Okay, so of course, tom yum is probably the most common and most internationally known Thai dish. It's basically a seafood broth featuring shrimp. Tom yum goong. Goong is the Thai word for shrimp. Tom is the Thai word for soup. Actually, it's kind of similar to the Chinese word for soup, which is tang. Or
Tang.
tang is a similar word to that. All right, you got the very famous mango with sticky rice as a dessert. Of course, we have pad thai. Pad thai is also pretty interesting. It's kind of close to char kway teow, which is in Singapore and Malaysia. So it's kind of like the Thai version of fried rice noodles. There's gan kyo wan, right? And gan kyo wan is actually pretty good. It's actually the Thai green curry made from a chili paste and coconut milk, really rich. Then there's that, kao hiu mu yang. I don't know how to say that. But that's fish cakes. So they basically take the fish, they pound it into a paste, and it's made into it's a fish pergudel.
Yes.
Fish pergudel. And then there's masaman curry. Has anybody ever had a masaman curry? Yeah. We'll make a masaman curry one day. It's a curry with potatoes and some other really heavy stuff in there. All right, so that's those are some kind of major things in Thai cuisine. All right, let's talk about Thai ingredients. All right, my first ingredient here is this. Does anybody know what this is? Pass this around, Elvin. All right. Oh, let me show it on the video first. All right. Ta-da. Okay. So this is fish sauce. Yeah.
Is it like the best one?
Yeah, it's the same. Yeah. It's the same. Yeah. This is the one that shows up a lot. I don't know what is the best one. If you can tell the difference between fish sauce, let me know. Because I can't really, I'm not a fish sauce connoisseur, right? Fish sauce is a very interesting ingredient. It is a magic ingredient. It is quite different, the fish sauce in Vietnam and Thailand, from the ones I get in Indonesia. You mix this stuff with anything and the stuff will taste amazing. It's like adding cheese. It's Asian cheese. It's Asian cheese. So you know how like if you add cheese to any Western dish, it makes it taste so much better? Like cheese to pizza, cheese to a cheeseburger, cheese in lasagna. This is sort of like that because it's so rich in umami, which is like this sixth flavor component that people have. Yeah, go ahead and open it, take a whiff, and make sure Deepa gets to smell of that too. Oh yeah, like it? Yeah, it smells like dirty armpits actually. It's actually very, very pungent.
The smell so
Yeah.
sweet, like dry squid.
It's like dry squid. It's like a lot of concentrated seafood flavor. And you know why it smells like that? Because this is actually how they make it. They actually make fish sauce in these big barrels, and what it is, it's just a soup of dead fish, right? So it's like a soup of dead fish with salt. Yeah. We went to Cambodia, right? I think it's Cambodia.
Yeah.
Okay. Vietnam or Cambodia. We went past these concrete swimming pool tanks filled, it was like a horror movie. It was filled with dead fish, right? And a layer of salt. And
The
so
smell is like,
you definitely know you're on a fish sauce farm when you smell that. But anyhow, they take that and then they squeeze it afterwards and they get the fish sauce extracted out. And so that becomes the basis of fish sauce. Alone, it's absolutely disgusting, but when you cook with it, it's absolutely incredible. It actually adds a lot of pungency and flavor.
It's made from fish or squid?
It's made from fish.
Oh.
The brand is squid.
Oh, okay.
Sorry, so this is very deceiving, right? Because the brand is fish and squid.
But
It's
the
actually-
ingredient is they use squid.
Do they?
Yeah.
Let me see.
So
It probably makes everything.
Maybe, yeah.
That's the same for the
Maybe. I don't know, yeah. No. It's 100% anchovy, extra ikan anchovy.
Oh.
Yeah, and salt. Yeah.
Oh!
Squid is the brand. Yeah, I know it's confusing. Why would you call your fish sauce squid, right? Kind of makes people think, not
That
from
makes
bad.
sense.
That's like calling your pineapples like cherry pineapples, right? So, okay. Anyhow, that's the story of fish sauce. It's a very interesting thing. The next very interesting Thai ingredient is Thai basil. We sort of have a hybrid basil. This is Stella Thai, Stella European, right? So it's like kind of a leftover in, I don't know, like European vacation in Thailand or something. But
no,
anyway.
actually it's coordinate between one big one to the next.
Yeah.
And then
Okay. So yeah, the bees cross-pollinated it, and Thai basil is very interesting. It's a little bit like mungi, but it has a lot more.
Frankland.
Yeah, it has a lot more depth Kemangi is very, like I would say, very high note, minty, high note, has a lemon fragrance. This has more oomph to it, has more of a medium note. And when added again to a lot of curries, these are the powerful ingredients I'm talking about. When you add them to curries, it really elevates up the flavor. So that's another kind of secret ingredient that shows up quite a bit in Thai cuisine. Oh, I messed up that. Similar flavor to kemangi, but okay. All right, the next thing. The next thing is a red curry paste. Okay, so red curry paste is basically a lot of ingredients that have been pounded together. I kind of like the idea of a curry paste, so instead of actually chopping ingredients, just put it together and you just blend it all together, and it makes a nice paste. So usually goes in shallots, which are small little onions, long. Then lemongrass, chilies, garlic, some galangal, which is kind of like similar to ginger. Tomato ketchup isn't essential; it just makes it more red. But you can add something that makes it more red. Cumin, which is a type of dried spice. Coriander, pepper, and you can put fish sauce in it too. This is what kind of red curry paste looks like. I'll toss it around. You guys can take a look at the red curry paste. Okay, so the destination this evening is that we are going to make two dishes. First one is gai kap pao, which we had the other night. So it's basically minced chicken that's been stir fried with basil, garlic, onion, chilies. It's finished with the fish sauce and brown sugar sauce. It's really nice. It's delicious with some jasmine rice, which I see. I made this, and then Tom Yum on Sunday. Yeah, on Sunday. Yeah, it was great. You missed it because you were in Too bad for you. All right, this is the next thing we're gonna make. Keng pet thai. This is essentially red chicken curry, right? So it's going to be sliced chicken and red curry paste. We're going to add coconut milk, basil, coriander, and finish it with ginger. All right, so the next step is we go to the kitchen. We're going to prepare the ingredients on the round table. This is a cooking class, so everyone's invited to participate and help us cook, which is always fun. And then afterwards, we're going to go to the stove and we're going to cook all our ingredients together. And then we'll eat on the round table. How's that sound?
Sure.
All right, great. So there's going to be 3 stations. The first station is on veggie prep. I forgot to introduce these. These are our ingredients tonight. So we got some mushrooms, we got some red chili peppers, we got some green chili peppers, we got some green beans, we got some eggplant, right, which is all very nice. So these are our kind of vegetable ingredients. Then we have our root ingredient. Oh wait, I'm going to show it on the camera so that it goes into the video, right? So those are our vegetable ingredients. Okay. These are the dry ingredients here. So we got the difference. We got what? What?
Just get hands
Okay. All right. So anyways, we're gonna slice the onions. We're gonna peel the garlic and mince the garlic. We're gonna pound the lemongrass that releases flavor. We're gonna slice up ginger and add it into the broth. And galangal right here. And we're gonna shred this up with some basil. Laos, yeah, that's called Laos. That's right. I'm gonna shred up this basil. It smells amazing. I'm gonna make it into some delicious food. Okay, so that's the game plan for the veggies. And then the meat is very simple. We're just gonna go ahead and slice up chicken. There's a lot of chicken that's already ready. There's already a meat stock, which we've taken the chicken bones and we made it into a soup. So that will go into our rice, and that will also go into the red curry. Right? So that the red curry, instead of having water, will be fortified with stock, which makes it much more tastier. And then, of course, we got jasmine rice. So the takeaway last time was don't add so much water to the rice. It turns into bubur. Because long grain rice, you
not
add too much
this
water.
much, right?
Okay.
Okay,
just a little bit less.
This much.
A little bit, yeah, just a little bit. Because the difference
I
with
cook
Thai
in
rice.
different way. Like this is traditional way. If you wanna like really good.
Okay,
yeah.
great. So why I cooked it in a traditional way. The thing with jasmine rice is it's a long grain, so long grain rice usually requires less water than short grain rice. Okay, and that's pretty much it. So this is. Yeah, we made it before. It was okay. But then we fixed it and it got right. So okay, that's pretty much it. We'll go to the kitchen now and continue our continuance. And live cooking demo. Okay, let's do it.
Yay!
Oh yeah. For the live cooking, so basically to make